Hello all of you. Today after a long gap I am making this video and my topic is a topic of mathematics, that is decimal system. So today I will show you how to take out numbers in their decimal form, how to convert a decimal into fractions and how to convert fractions into decimals. So let's start. So let me explain you first the place value system of decimal system. So here there is a chart which you can see. So I placed 10,000 first. So when we write any number, like if we are writing it 5, 2, 6, 5, 4, okay? So the place value system tells us that this is ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. So 10,000 place and 1,000 place and 100 place and then tens place, right? And then ones place. Now, what is decimal then? Decimal comes before 1. So it's like 1 by 10 is the first decimal place, 1 by 100 is the second, 1 by 1,000 and then 1 by 10,000. So if we write this number 52654.3232, okay? So what is the place value? Place value is 50,000, then 2,000, right? Then since 150, 5 tens, 4 ones, plus 3 by 10 and 2 by 100. Okay, because before ones, after decimal, we get the place value 1 by 10, then 1 by 100, then 1 by 1,000 and then 1 by 10,000. So if you want to expand this, how will you expand? You will expand 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 4 plus 3 by 10, because before decimals the number which we are writing, that is 10, 100 and then 1,000. So plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. Okay, this is actually the place value. Now, if we are supposed to convert these fractions into decimals, so how will we convert? Let me tell you first, to convert a fraction into decimal, we need denominators in 10, 100 or 1,000. Okay, this is essential, then only it is easy. Or if we are not getting that type of denominator, then we have to make a normal division and we can take it out as decimal. But if we convert a denominator into 10, 100 or 1,000, then it becomes easier to convert it into decimal. For example, 8 by 10. Because we are dividing by 10, that means 1 0, so the answer will be 0.8. To make you clear, if we divide 8 by 100, then it will be 0.08. And why is this so? When we are dividing it with 10, we'll place the decimal before one number. But when we are dividing it with 100, there are 2 zeros, and so we'll put the decimal before 2 numbers. But we have only a single digit, that is 8. So what we will do, we will put a 0, we'll make it 2 digit and we'll put a decimal before 2 numbers. So 0.08. And if we divided 8 by 1,000, then I hope you know the answer. If we divide 8 by 1,000, then you will get the answer 0.008. Now why 0.008? Because we are dividing it with 1,000, there are 3 zeros, and so we'll put the decimal before 3 numbers. Okay. Now the another number is 3 by 4. So here the denominator is 4. It is not the multiplicative of 10, right? So what we are going to do, we have to convert 4 into either 10, 100 or 1,000 to convert it easily into decimal system. So to convert 4 into 10, it's not possible because we don't get 10 in the table of 4. So, but if we can definitely convert 4 into 100, because 425s are 100. So we can do 3 by 4 into 25 in the denominator and 25 in the numerator. Okay, same number has to be multiplied both in the numerator and the denominator. So we'll get 75 by 100 and the answer will be 0.75. So in this way we can convert 3 by 4 into decimal. There's one more method, that is a simple division. If you divide 3 by 4, then you will put a decimal, then you will get a 0. In this way also you can continue. But the easiest method is to convert the denominator into 10, 100, 1000, whatever. So whichever number is applicable. For 4, we know that 425s are 100, so we are multiplicating the numerator also with that number. Now here the third number is 1 by 50. So 50 can be converted into 100. 50 into 2, that is 100. So what we'll do is 1 by 50 into 2 into 2, 2 by 100. Okay, so this will be 0.02. Correct? Because we have 2 zeros in the denominator, we'll put the decimal before 2 numbers. So 0.02. Now the different kind of sums convert into fractions. Now here I have given you some decimals which we are supposed to change it into fractions. So because in number 1, 0.157, so the decimal is before 3 numbers. So how many zeros we are going to put? We are going to put 3 zeros. So the answer will be 157 by 1000. Okay, now 37.25. So the answer will be 3725 by 100. By 100 because the decimal is before 2 numbers. 0.4 will become 4 by 10. And so in this way we can convert decimals into fractions. I am showing you a different kind of sum so that this concept gets clear. This is actually a totodile sum. Okay, so 71.45 and 71.34. You have to compare these numbers, which one is greater. So 71 and 71 is common, but here after decimal we are seeing it is 4 here and it is 3 here. So which is the bigger number? That is 4. So the totodile sign which we'll put will be this. Okay, now place value of 4.159, the place value of 1, 5 and 9. What is it? So this is 4 ones. This will be, place value will be 1/10. Okay, we can write 1/10. If it is before decimals, then it is, if it is after decimals, then it is tens. But when it comes before decimals, they are 10, 100 and 1000. We add HS. Okay, this will be 500. Not 100, but 100. Okay, TH. And this will be 9000. Same way, if we come here, 2.67, how will we expand it? We'll write 2 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100. This is the expansion of decimal numbers. Okay, so if you want to expand it in words, you will write 4 ones and or plus 1/10, 500 plus 9000. And if you want to expand in numerals, this will be 2 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 100. I hope this decimal system is clear. You like this video and kindly subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching.